guys, welcome again to my channel. This video I'm going to show you I have different unique the way I plant this one, Vietnamrose. So I already have 3. I made that one on the other night, and I have 2 small pots too. And I bet you are interesting this one, guys, because it is really so cute and nice. So let's go there, guys. There are that one in the pots, the 3-1 colorful pink. So let's go so you can see what I did here. See, guys, beautiful. There. So you have flowers now, and there's another one here. Look, so cute, very cute. That's the second one. See what I did? Very interesting. Here too. There. Then I have few too. Here, small one. Look, super cute. So I am going to. I wish I still have the. It's like a colorful stone, but I don't have that one anymore. I can't find that one here. I have that one before, but maybe I'll just the store is not open, still closed, the mall. I'm going to put here because this is already a space. As you can see, the stem here is standing. What I'm going to put here is a colorful stone, pebbles like that. Very nice, guys. See, I love it. I'm going to make that one more this side. I want to balance it here, that side. Super cute. You should see that small one here. Oh, guys, cute kaayo. Dili na siya malaya, guys. Okay, ganahan siya sa init. He love sun. So ang stem niya hindi to mamatay. Hindi na siya mamatay, guys. Ug naay mo ko andre mo tubo, ako na po siyang i-roll diha. Bali centipede, guys. You see, beautiful. You see that? I supposed to. I saw this one on the on Facebook. They cut it here, but I don't want to wait long time to produce flower and this one. So why not? Why you are cutting? So just leave it till it won't produce. So you should see that one. You don't need to wait when it gonna produce. When the flower will bloom. So there are some we cut it here so it's clean and nice, but me, I just leave it there like that so I can see, because I cannot wait the beauty. Char. So nga na lang, guys, ngano katon pa man, no na naman siya flower daan.